So you're thinking, which one's better? The Venetian, the Palazzo? You wanna stay at one of them, but you don't know which one is best? Hold on, I'm gonna let you know right now.
Let's take a sample together.
So I'm back in my comfort zone. I am back in my studio and just got back from an amazing Vegas trip. This time we stayed at the Venetian, last time we stayed at the Palazzo, and now we have to compare them. The first stay was 2 nights at the Palazzo. This second stay was 3 nights at the Venetian, which include a day at the pool. And now I get to tell you which one's best. We got to do them both, and this is what I think. Okay, let's begin with the rooms. The rooms are almost identical, except that Palazzo is slightly bigger. I believe it's about 50 square feet more, which you can feel it a little bit on the side of the beds. You can feel it definitely a little bit in the living room, the sunken living room, by the way. So in rooms, I think I personally like Palazzo better. I like that flat surface that they have between the living room and the bedroom, and I also like the feel of it. It felt a little bit more for my age. Venetian felt a little bit more like it was designed for my parents. I'm in my mid-40s, so I am in that age where we like to travel, we like to enjoy places and properties. So for my taste, for me, as far as rooms, Palazzo wins.
This is one for us.
Oh, hi. Y ahora vamos a comer algo porque ya tenemos hambre. Amenities. Amenities is a difficult one to talk about because, well, they share a property. So pretty much anything that you can do in one, you can do at the other one. You kind of meet in the middle. And this one, I will have to give it to Venetian. I mean, it's really nice to be able to walk out of the elevator and have Bouchon Bakery right there, to have the fresh juices right there, to have the coffee right in front of you. That part, Venetian took it. There's no beating that. On the other side, Palazzo does have a Starbucks, but you're paying Starbucks on the strip prices. So on amenities, as far as just easy access to things, I like the Venetian. The restaurants,
Dude, behold.
unless you are a huge Bouchon fan and you want to be in the same tower, I think that it's a tie. You access the restaurants from both places. Restaurants row, goes from one place to another. So I think it's a tie. I think that the only thing I prefer more was just the spaciousness of Palazzo room. As far as the pool is concerned, we didn't use the pool at Palazzo. We did at Venetian, and it was splendid. The service, the atmosphere, everything about it was cool. There was, though, a guy who kind of gave me the dirty eye because I'm in a biracial relationship, and as you know, some people just don't like to see us brown people with the fair color ladies, and that's their problem, not mine. My love and I love each other, and we enjoy each other quite well. And Vegas is one of the places that we like to do it at. Moving on. So yes, the pool was amazing. There was just that one, side eye that I got from the dude with the military cut. The haircut, the little buzz one with the thing, and it looks kind of like Beavis and Butthead's gym teacher. That haircut, he definitely didn't like that I was in the private cabana, private bed area with my love, and his face clearly showed it. Like, this man was just not happy to see a brown man and a white woman enjoying life. And sorry to say, brown man and white woman is really just a man and a woman. We're both humans, so any differences that anybody sees are just in their minds. Moving on. We love this property. We love coming here. We love staying here. We love the restaurants, the lounges. Dorsey, oh my God, the Dorsey, we love this space. This time when we went though, there was a convention, so it was a little unsy. And don't get me wrong, I can get down with the unsy, but there's a time and a place for everything. And when you are in a romantic mood, trying to sit with your honey and try to just have a good conversation and a drink, that's not the place. So we went across the street, we walked over to the Wynn and caught the Lake of Dreams. We sat Lakeside, had an amazing drink. I had a mocktail. And for that, we also give Palazzo the edge because it's right there. You just cross the bridge and you are at the Wynn. Plus, it has one of the best hummus places in the world.
Dude, behold the best hummus ever. Like ever. Better than that, better than anything.
Bisnan at the Palazzo Casino is a thing that you must try. For those of you who love the hummus, there's good hummus at the Palazzo. I am a huge hummus fan. For all of our Middle Eastern friends, I love hummus. Thank you for bringing it. I don't care who invented it. I know that, it's the Persians claim it, the Iranians claim it, and the Armenians claim it. Everybody claims the invention of hummus. It's hummus. Enjoy it. Anyway, and moving on. Prices. The stay at the Venetian was a little bit more, just a smidgen more, but we also had pool service and room service. So, hey, sometimes we spoiled ourselves, or sometimes we're just simply lazy and we don't want to go downstairs. So we make the sacrifice and, spend the extra money on that and then go have a slice of pizza later. Which reminds me, don't forget to check out our video on tips on how to save money in Las Vegas. Starting to figure out how not to spend the bankroll, and I'm letting you guys know. Anyway, let us know which one you like better, Venetian, Palazzo. For me, it's a clean tie. The only things that wins Palazzo over is the space of the rooms and the ability to go right across to the Wynn. And of course, if there was a deciding factor, I would say that having access to hummus versus coffee, I would take the hummus. So Palazzo wins just by a grain of garbanzo, by a smidgen of hummus, by a piece of pita. That's the win for Palazzo. Anyway, that is all for now. We hope that you enjoyed this. If you do, leave us a comment. And if you don't, leave us a comment as well. Just don't be mean. We can always improve upon the world. Until next time, my friends, I'll see you.
What ticket do you use?